Let's talk about installing Arduino IDE. To install, search it up on your browser, go to their official website. At the top, click Software, and under Downloads, look at the first option. For me, it's 2.3.2, maybe different for you, but for this option, on the right, there is Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. For me, it's Apple Silicon. Click on it. Just download. Just download. Once this has been complete, you want to install it on your laptop. I have it installed already, but you want to agree to its terms and click continue with all of its default selections. That is just fine. And after that, you would see something like this. Now, there might be something downloading on the bottom right. That is totally okay. And you want to click down on this drop-down menu. You might not have these two options, but click Select Other Board and Port. And we will want to make it work for Arduino Uno, which is the board we would want to work with for the next few courses. Click OK. Now you have successfully downloaded Arduino IDE and paired up with Arduino Uno.